This video I'm gonna explain to all of you about how to make trapezoid wall in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make a rectangle. We can set with any size of rectangle as proportional as possible. Maybe something like this. You can see the dimension about the 8,000 millimeter and 5,800 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make this rectangle, and we can use this protector, pose and place on the corner of the bottom. Then we can set the angle maybe around 60 degree, and we can set this angle around 60 degree also. I'm sorry, we have to repeat it. We can set the angle around 75 degree, and from the right corner 75 degree also, and then we can just using line to separate this plane anyway. Then we can just erase some unnecessary line and guideline over there. Okay, and then we got it, and then we can just select this all and select move, press Ctrl to duplicate it, and then we can zoom for this, and then we can set the wall thickness for the four sides. Use offset, and then we can offset inside around 150 millimeter. Then we can just select this center plane and erase. Okay, and then we can just triple click by left click with left click in this plane, and then we can push it up around 3,000 millimeter. Okay, so it has done about how to make a trapezoid wall in SketchUp. So this plane are used to make a floor with this any thickness as you want. Make it group and just move it to the bottom to be a floor of the wall, and you can assign with another material. From this option you can select the brick cladding and siding option. Then you can assign the material with the material as you want. For example, you can use this brick. You can use this brick, and you can use the concrete to make a floor, maybe for example, and it's done. Okay, I think it is enough. I hope it will be a advantage and benefit to all of you, especially to all of you that beginner level on modeling SketchUp, and wait for my next video. Thank you.